What you see here are two brand new dual furnaces. These are over 97% efficiency. These are extremely efficient furnaces. We also have a Honeywell True Clean high performance air cleaner in line with this particular furnace. The PVC on the right side of the furnace is our condensate drain. As you can see, there is no plastic tubing, no garden hose, no flex tubing, nothing for the drain. It is all hard, solid, rigid water or condensate tubing. This is non-clogging, meaning your furnace will not shut off with this type of drainage, as well as your air conditioning system. This is a sealed combustion furnace. What you see here is your intake and exhaust pipes that go to the outside of the home. With this system, we have zoning. This is your Honeywell True zoning system, True Zone. This system has two zones. You can see our gas piping and our tags. We label all of our gas lines according to its specific appliance. The red tag you see is high pressure gas. That's 2-pound gas coming in from the main gas meter outside of the home. We've attached an April air humidifier to this. Here's some more of our work on the gas lines. Again, they are all labeled to a specific gas appliance. As you can see, this is the upper furnace. We have the gas dryer, hot water heater, gas cooktop. We have our main gas manifold. And then, of course, this is our main and lower additional furnace. As you can see, everything is nice, neat, plumb, secured. This is the intake and exhaust on the second furnace as it goes up to the ceiling and then out to the outside wall. This is 3-inch PVC. It is all installed according to manufacturer's specifications. We've installed the cooling coil cabinet, which you see behind the PVC. That's an insulated cased cabinet. Your cooling coil is behind that. It is insulated so that metal cannot rust or condense in the summertime. This is our hard, rigid PVC drain from the cooling coil. As you can see, there's no vinyl tubing, no garden hose, no plastic tubing on our systems. Everything is hard, rigid piping right down to the floor drain. And this is our second furnace in this home. This home has two furnaces. This is a sealed combustion furnace as well, up to 97% efficient, meaning that out of every heating dollar that you spend, you're only wasting at the very most 3 cents of your heating dollar. Extremely efficient. These furnaces are also variable speed blowers. The fan is variable speed, up to 75% energy efficiency, energy savings on our systems. Again, we have zoning. This is a Honeywell True Zone panel. The red lights represent operation. The green represents on zone 2 that zone is not calling at this time. Again, on this we have a humidifier which has been installed on the return side of the furnace. This is a bypass April air humidifier. As you can see, the intake and exhaust pipes are nice, neat, plumb, secured, and securely fastened and tightened to the furnace. These furnaces are extremely quiet and extremely efficient. Leading industry efficiency on these systems. As you can see as well, we also tape and seal all of our seams. All of our seams are taped and sealed. Between the air cleaner and the ductwork, it is all caulked. Everything is sealed. Again, this home has 2 furnaces, as you can see. They're both over 97% efficient. They have a 2-stage air conditioning unit attached to each one, respectively. And again, as you can see, all of our water drain lines are hard, rigid PVC, non-clogging drain lines. This is the way they should be installed. Every job is just like this. Nice and clean, secured, airtight. What you see here is the intake and exhaust again. On our furnace with the humidifier attached, that's a bypass April air humidifier. And again, our piping. This is the intake and exhaust air piping for combustion on the sealed combustion furnace. And it goes to the outside wall. The piping on the right is for one furnace. The piping on the left is for the other furnace. Everything is fastened, secured with mounting brackets and right out through the outside wall.